Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about a company which is having a high potential in the upcoming stock market. The company's name is IRB Infrastructure Developers Limited. Let's have a brief introduction about this company and why this company was recently in news. The company has reported a split of shares in the ratio 1:10, and the company's share is currently trading at rupees 299.8. The company was founded in the year 1998 with headquarters in Mumbai, and the area of operation is mostly in highway construction. At present day, the market cap of this company is 18,104 crores. Let's begin the shareholding pattern. So let us talk about the shareholding pattern of this company. As of September 22, the company has reported that promoters of the company are having a net worth of 34.2% in the said company, while the FPI, mostly the real marker of the company's potential in the upcoming stock market, have reported a share of 48.76%, whereas the mutual funds operating in our country have reported a shareholding of 3.3% in this sector. Also, this company has given a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share in August 2022. Coming towards the revenue of the company, we'll have a clear data regarding that, and that is in the financial year 2022, the company had reported an annual share of rupees 6,335 crores, where the profits of that company were 361 crores. For the financial year 2023, the estimated revenue is 7,150 crore and the profit is clearly 890 crores, which is significantly when we compare it with the previous year's profit. The 52-week high of the share of IRB has been 347. At the same time, 52-week low was reportedly 174 rupees. Now let's have a brief outlook about the historical performance of the company. The company is largely underperformed in broader market as investors feared that the management strategy to mostly undertake BOT, that is build, operate and transfer projects, could lead to stress on the balance sheet. However, the management has strategically deleveraged its balance sheet through INVIT, that is Infrastructure Investment Trust, private INVIT in partnership with marquee investors like GSE, where IRB has got a stake of 51%. At the same time, capital raise of 5,347 crore has been raised through preferential allotment to Sintra for 24.9, that is roughly 25% stake. Again, it has raised GIC stake to 16.9% and public ENVIT to 16%. Now, what lies ahead with this company? We all know that NHAI, that is the National Highway Authority of India, is quite aggressive in terms of awarding of contracts. And in this sector, IRB clearly has the financial firepower with GIC and access to global best practices in road, build, operate, transfer business. That is because Sintra is one of its portfolio, and it is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the government's NIP NMP Gati Shakti initiative. We'll explore all these initiatives in the subsequent slides. IRB has also got a strong balance sheet. IRB also has a strong balance sheet which will benefit it. IRB also has a strong balance sheet, and this will benefit it because the government's push is in the private investment sector. New government schemes like Bharatmala, increase in awarding construction piece, is going to benefit the road players. Also, under Bharatmala Pariyojana, the government plans to develop about 65,000 km national highway, of which 34,800 kilometers of national highway is to be built under phase 1 with an outlay of 5,35,000 crores. The government also aims to expand the national highway network of India, and there has been a growing demand for automobile Prime Minister Gati Shakti scheme to boost highway construction with total outlay of rupees 20 lakh crore, which is likely to be completed by the financial year 2025. So what is the overall outlook of the company? Given all these initiatives, it is clearly a bullish one. Thank you and stay tuned with us.